there's some
All right.
people who can do it. She can.
The probability model below describes the number of repairs that an appliance shop may receive during an hour.
Oh, I just remembered I didn't like this stuff.
How many calls should you expect per hour?
10.
So the
Whoa, I'm on
expected
the wrong
value.
Hold on. I need a minute. I am missing something.
It's the continuation of what we did yesterday.
Yeah, but like, but we did example 3. Did we do 2?
Yes.
Where did I write number 2?
Look, right here. Look at that.
Well, I don't have number 2.
You probably didn't save it. You probably just got out. Copy
Am
done
I
later,
on the
bro.
right?
That's kind of
I
sad.
think I am. I think I'm on the right page. Let's see.
All right. So how many calls should you expect per hour? So the expected value is the number of calls times the probability. So 0 times 0.1 plus 1 times 0.3 plus 2 times 0.4 plus 3 times 0.2.
I'm a little bitter about that, not gonna lie.
1.7 calls per hour.
She was too fast. I like she already had the answers out.
Mrs.
I
Quinn,
had the answer.
I have a
I had
question.
the answer.
by any chance when we're done with this picture, could you maybe send me it? I swear I took it yesterday. But it really is gone.
Dude, did you hit like done, and then did you hit like
No.
done?
Okay, can I tell you something? Why would I ever, if I thought it was there, you think I remember deleting it? No, I don't. I forgot we're recording. They probably all think I'm a very bitter person.
You are.
It's not wrong.
You didn't bring ice cream for the whole class?
Huh?
All right, standard deviation.
Rude.
We've got to start out by finding variance.
Hey, why are we also mean to Melcher sometimes?
0 minus
Yes.
1.7
I mean, yeah, it's true,
squared
but
times
you mean that,
0.1
yes.
plus 1 minus 1.7
Okay, guys.
squared times 0.3 plus 2 minus 1.7 squared times 0.4 plus 3 minus 1.7 squared times 0.2.
Ouch.
So variance equals, just to save y'all from having to type it in right now for the sake of time, 0.81.
Still have to write all that out.
I like this one. It's a bunch of numbers. I do better with numbers than
What else is there?
concepts.
I do better with the concepts. Once
I
you give
do.
me the math,
Oh,
I'm
me
like,
too.
oh.
No, if like there's like math that's like
Nuh-uh. Once I get to the math, I'm doomed.
no, it's so they're giving you what to put in your calculator.
You know what? That doesn't mean I'm good at it. Maddie. Not everyone is as smart as you here.
So how do I find standard deviation?
You take the square root.
So it's going to be 0.9.
Oh, stinky. Put it on top.
I feel so
Hey, I knew that one. I did that one in my head.
What?
Oh yeah.
Oh, never mind. I got it.
I thought you were talking about the whole thing.
Me too. That's what I thought too, Melcher. I was like,
good
dang.
Find the mean number of repair
I was like, she's not
calls
sharing
the
this
shop
with
should
us.
expect in an 8-hour workday.
Find the mean. I don't know how to do that. Would you just add it up?
Add what
and
up?
Divide? I don't know what. I just know you add and divide, and that's how you get an average.
Would it be 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4?
What did you just say?
Oh.
How many calls do they expect to get per hour?
1.7.
1.7.
So
How many hours are they doing?
Never
8.
mind,
So
guys.
1.7 plus 1.7 plus 1.7.
Or 1.7 times 8?
You know what?
Girl.
You guys don't like me today. I'm not going to talk for the rest of the class.
Just doubtful. Which is going to be 13.6 calls Love you, Brooke. Per 8-hour workday.
It's okay. Melcher told me please. So you were still more polite than him.
I said please.
He says please, I say doubtful, and I'm nicer than Melcher.
Yes.
Also, I'm really glad you said something about pretzels because I definitely would have forgotten because I thought all day today that it was Monday. When I came in this morning and Mr. Fletcher, I was looking for Mr. Law and he goes, oh, he's in Sax's room. And I was like, why? I thought that was tomorrow. And he was like, no, it's today. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I came up here and then y'all were like, oh, yeah, we'll see you at third period. And I was like, oh, yeah, you will. I thought today was Monday all day.
You know, Monday was a good day. Today's not as good as Monday. I miss Monday.
Yesterday, Monday, was a lot better than
Friday.
The other previous
last Monday.
Well,
Actually,
I think
last week.
Or, yeah, just
we can just group it all together. It's been pretty
the
good
last
so far.
month.
Yeah.
January was a very long year.
It was.
Agreed.
Aha, I got it. I got it. Funny, guys.
Friday was a good
And last week
I
was a
don't know
long
Friday.
month.
I hated my Friday. I don't know
I
how
didn't
you
like
do.
my Friday.
I don't know why you had a good Friday. Did you hang out with Daniel?
I went to his homecoming game.
Oh, I hung out with my boyfriend. That's why I had a good Friday.
No, I had a good day at school too.
Mm-hmm. What happened to your Friday that didn't happen to my Friday?
Okay,
Sarah?
would you take the square root of the 13.6 to find the standard deviation, or am I being dumb? I don't know how you would find the standard deviation of that.
So for varying, okay, so
Oh,
what is the standard
okay.
deviation of number of
Would you-
calls the shop should expect in an 8-hour workday?
I would just do
What'd you
0.9
do?
times 8.
Wait, would you have to find the variance first again?
I just did point. Oh, you gotta do it.
What was the variance?
Well, we don't know yet. Do we?
What was the variance?
181.
0.81
You
Times
take the
9.
square root.
times 8 hours, because this is the
8.
variance for every hour, so times 8 hours.
Oh.
6.48. So
Oh.
standard deviation is the square root of that.
Okay, you know, this actually made sense.
2.5 something.
Way to be cool, Melcher.
I did that. That was kind of cool.
Stop being a calculator.
Note that we can't add standard deviation, but we can add variance.
We didn't add anything. What?
Like you can do 0.81 plus 0.81, but you can't do that with standard deviation.
Oh. Well, see, now, this is why I said you just have to add it, because I did not realize.
In reality, that is what you're doing. It's just making it easier by saying multiply.
Yeah, but I'm not like that. My brain is
Did I
not.
tell you I hit the wall?
She basically
And then my
punched
finger
it.
started bleeding because I hit the wall.
She basically punched
Oh, I
it.
thought you meant like you ran into the wall, not
No,
like you.
like
See, she punched it.
Oh, is that?
I didn't punch the
You
wall.
did.
Did you pull a Melcher just with your hand and not your head?
Ha 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 ha.
Sort of, actually. if
She
you
might
think
did.
about
I mean,
it.
if, yeah,
If
basically.
you think about it, yes, I did. I was going up to touch, like, you know, the elementary
you.
sign that hangs
That
from the
was me.
ceiling. I went
Thank
to go
you, Taylor.
hit it, but I brought my arm up while I was walking, and the wall was standing right there, and so I hit it on my way up, and then it started recorded.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh.
You know,
We
I told
forget
Berkey,
that
I told
so
Berkey.
fast.
Berkey.
I told Berkeley to watch the videos just because I'm gonna miss her. So if she actually does,
Does everybody have all this?
I think she should watch it just to hear that.
Berkeley.
Just start screen recording the screen record and sending her little bits and pieces of it.
Yeah, this the good parts of stat class. Why I'm struggling so hard.
Alright,
I thought I saw something outside. Oh, it is. I do see something. I see little people.
little people.
Oh, I see that.
I kept looking because I thought I saw one, and then I didn't see anymore, and then all of a sudden there was another little person.
I see a tree.
I see
And a
a
lamp.
Tree.
I see a
Tree.
All right.
How many followers do you have? Do they get
Oh, like 12.
Have you
Subscribers on
Same
YouTube.
thing?
I subscribe.
All
I don't
right.
think I'm
We're gonna do something fun and exciting.
Yay!
Y'all are gonna try 4 on your own.
Never mind.
That's not fun, nor is it exciting, and I don't know what to do.
I think it's exciting.
No, I actually don't know what to do.
Oh, I thought it said a computer must pass through 5 lights on her way back, and I was like, what is this computer doing?
Why is it a girl?
Computer.
Wait, your computer's not a girl? That's my fault.
What?
I don't know how to do this. Okay, hold on. Yes, I do.
Don't talk, don't talk,
Shush.
don't talk. No
Okay.
speaking.
Mean.
The process is the same as the last one we did.
Are we doing the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, this takes me forever to write out. I don't think I have enough room to do standard deviation. No joke, took me the entire space to write out. Oh my gosh.
gosh.
She's being a savage.
No.
Forgot to put.
You know, I'm really disappointed when I get this one wrong.
Don't say when.
So much.
And then I have
Wait,
to
wait, wait, wait.
Okay, there is something wrong. Because I'm wrong.
Probably meant she wrote it down.
No, I am wrong. Something is wrong here.
Did you get it, Maddie?
I
I
know
got
what I
something.
did wrong. Oh, I do it. Oh, I'm so happy.
I feel like I need to put that one in because
I was gonna say you
I-
can come look and see if you got it if you want.
I feel like I need to be more intelligent.
Oh no.
Okay. Did you get it wrong? Me too. LOL.
I swear you did. I definitely typed something in wrong.
Yeah, I got a lot wrong actually.
Yay.
Okay, now I have to do the rest of this. I just wanted to take that before I kept going because that would be very unfortunate if I didn't.
You know, I'm just
Yeah, well, you
accepting-
can't really do C without A, and you can't really do B without D. So, if you finish A and B and you want to come check them, you can come
Actually,
check
let me
them.
see if I got it right. I'm pretty sure I did. Like, I don't know how to get it wrong, but
Stop it. Now I'm gonna get it wrong and feel really bad about myself, Maddie.
sorry.
Okay, this is here.
Here, can I just see A? If A is wrong, then B is wrong, and then I'm.
I got it right.
It's too late. I already did all of them. So.
I know, I did all of mine and then.
Well, I forgot a certain step on freaking B, and now I gotta redo it. I don't have enough class.
Oh,
for this.
that is
It's
not
gonna be really
good.
sad. Like, this makes me actually want to die right here.
Dang it.
Is your A right?
No. I was. So which means I probably.
I just typed it in wrong because it's set up right.
Yeah, I know it is set up. That's probably.
But I mean, the good news is on a quiz or a test, if you had it set up correctly and you just somehow mistyped it, I'm not gonna take off like drastic points for that.
That's,
Oh, okay. Let me see if I got that answer now.
So you always show your work.
Amen, Taylor.
Yay!
I always bank on that because I always type things in wrong. So I always bank that my work is right. If
So
not,
when
then
I get
have
the second
issues.
part wrong, I'm gonna need help to figure out what I did wrong.
It's usually just typing it in wrong.
You know what, Addie?
Yes.
I think I have more errors than just that, to be honest. Cause I forgot a whole part when I did my whole equation, and I got negative 1.78.
Oh, I'm looking at D. I was like, I got it wrong.
Exactly.
Can you just put lights on this one?
Yeah, that's fine.
I forgot that. Oh. Would you take off points if I forgot the lights?
No. Not that worried about it. It's just the AP people might, but I won't.
Thanks. You know, I think this is one of the concepts I actually kind of get.
I don't get it. I just don't get this.
Well, if you actually participated in class yesterday.
I cannot help my homework disappear.
I'm just
Ma-
kidding.
You know, maybe I was just sitting there, not doing nonsense.
Maybe you really weren't doing anything and you just wanted me to think
I'm
you
rounding
were.
Yeah,
to
exactly.
three-
It's-
to three
it was
significant
definitely that.
figures.
Sure, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, 2 decimal
Okay.
places.
I'm happy you
I'm
did the
assuming.
same thing I did because I wrote all of the numbers for one of them and then I rounded on the second one, but I wanted to make sure it rounded right on the second part. I thought she was gonna start like losing it if she got it wrong.
Well, no, the first one I got negative like 1.539 or something. I forgot to square it.
Yeah, that ain't it, Chief.
I forgot to square it. And then the only thing I remember is if there's a negative in a radical, it's an I. And I was like, oh no, this can't not be right.
So as long as everything is like this, we'll be fine.
Oh no, now I gotta do C and D too.
They're easy for us.
No,
those
it might
are
be.
easy when
No,
you're not
it's
done.
easy for you, but it's not easy for me.
It's fine for now.
I don't understand.
You're gonna help me set up for gate tonight though, right? 'Cause
Oh,
I haven't
Yes,
actually
Taylor,
set
I
up
will
yet.
assist you.
I also don't know, so there was the binder that has the parent passes in it that I brought over yesterday, and I definitely brought it over here, but then after they were done with gate, I don't really know what happened to it. Probably gonna be in trouble because I lost the binder, but oh well. Minor
Is it
details.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
You just confessed.
They knew I had it, but I don't know. I wasn't doing gate, so
Wait, there's a notebook that you look at to make sure people have passed.
like the parent passes. So if somebody doesn't have a parent pass, because they said now that we're not doing masks, they said that like people might
Just come in.
start coming now, so that
Um,
they don't have a pass, but they need one.
I really thought that was directly related to the pass, and I was like, what? Because they don't have masks, now we can recognize who they are, so the passes are needed now? Is
All right.
everyone else done? Wait, is everyone else waiting on me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I'm the loser here now? I hate this, guys. Right, I'm almost done.
Well. I'll be bro.
Just let her have her moment.
Oh no, do I have to like write a unit or something? Oh! Now it's on the board, now I have no reason to try.
Look at that, right?
Wow. It's okay, I got it wrong.
Oh my
Anyways.
gosh! Imagine being stupid and not doing this.
It's okay, it's already wrong at this point.
I'm so mad.
I did a whole extra step.
You having a calculator problem?
Because I thought I was basically put it in the same way. Because like that's how the actual equation is, but that's how I put it into my calculator. But what would be the difference? I don't understand. Isn't the order of operations still the same whether it's put in my
Calculator doesn't know order of operations though.
Oh, okay. I guess that's fair.
Just put, you know how all the parentheses you write it in like that? You have to put all the parentheses.
Well, yeah, no, I
in.
did, but it's the same thing either way. Regardless if it's 1 times 0.25
Oh
or 1.
no.
Well,
It's
for what
the
it's
same
worth,
thing.
I understood what I was doing enough, but you're gonna laugh at this. I thought in order to find the mean number of lights, I put a whole nother step, which is like under the radical. And I got a weird amount of stuff. Why'd you make that face? Please tell me it was because of the food, not because of me.
Oh, it's really sour. I hit a weird part of my tongue.
Ew. I actually didn't do that bad. Once I actually squared everything, because I tried to square everything. Because that really made for a funky answer.
I'm sorry.
Don't laugh at me. I'm struggling, guys. My brain doesn't work like yours. When we did the concept stuff, I'm super good at that. Once you
Do we
do
have
that-
this all?
Have you graded our 14 and 15? There we go.
We took a quiz on them?
You
This
said
is
you did
chapter
or you didn't?
16.
I'm not yet.
You can like not grade that one.
Been kind of preoccupied with Valentine's
Oh yeah, that was the one where I messed up.
Oh,
on the
I
title.
was just wondering, like, no rush.
I did not get an A on that quiz. I can
that
say
was,
that.
yeah, that was why it wasn't a very good quiz for me. So it was kind of okay. Wanted to know how it affected my grade.
If something like made it disappear.
I want Mrs. Marshall to put in the chemistry test grade.
It was just really good.
No. I just want to know what it's gonna be.
It's on. The
She
Google
wants to know what the
Classroom.
grade.
I want to know what it's gonna bring my grade to.
will bring it down.
Yeah, it's gonna bring it down a lot, but it's fine.
There was one day where grades like messed up, and everybody was like failing really badly, like in those partial classes. I think that was last year.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
think
We were working on syncing Google Classroom with GradeLink, and it did not go well.
Oh my goodness, this is such an ugly color. I'm definitely writing in it.
All right.
I accepted it. I was like, dang, I did that bad.
And Mel
I
just
didn't even question it. I was just like, wow.
You're like, yeah, this is right. This is correct.
I was like, man, I guess I thought I did better. Oh well, makes sense.
I think it's in now.
All right. A company selling vegetable seeds in packets of 20 estimates that the mean number of seeds that will actually grow is 18 seeds, with a standard deviation of 1.2 seeds. You buy 5 different seed packets. How many bad seeds do you expect to get?
10.
Wait.
How?
Is that right?
I don't know. I'm asking you how you got
I
it.
just did 5 times. I don't know. I just guessed 10.
Okay, wait. So
I honestly did not
vegetable
guess
seed
10.
packets. Wait, a company
Well, I
sells
did that 2
vegetable
of
seeds in
them
packets of
are
20.
bad because 18 of them will grow, so 2 times 5. But
And packets
I
of
don't
20
think that's
estimates
right.
that the mean number of seeds that will actually grow is 18.
Whoa.
So that means there are 2 bad seeds per.
I've had 1 successful statement this entire day. Let me have it.
I love it when Taylor is just like all in. She's like ready to give the answer. She looks at the board and has already been on the board for like a little bit.
Oh,
And
they
then she
know how
just
to do the
stops
problem.
talking immediately. She's like,
I have a question. The standard deviation is 1.2 seeds, right?
No, the bad ones. Does it mean of the bad ones?
I don't know. It just says what's the standard deviation and thinks it's a what?
What?
are you saying?
I don't know anymore.
I need the standard deviation for 5 seed packets.
Oh.
Oh, so it's. Wait, don't you have to do the variance?
Oh, I can
2
take
bad
that.
seeds in every pack because there's 20
Oh.
good, 20 and 18 are good.
That makes sense.
So would that be the.
I couldn't do math for a second. I thought they were like 2 numbers
Grr.
very far apart.
Why'd you growl?
I don't like it.
Oh, why'd you what?
Would it be 2?
It's okay.
Is that like the 2? Would that be variance or no? I don't know how you find the variance of that number.
Wait,
You
oh,
go-
oh, oh, oh!
How do you find standard
You square it.
deviation?
You do the thing, you square it. I'm so good at this. Oh my gosh.
Duh.
1 minute, I am so bad at this. I am so good at this the next minute.
Okay, because, okay. Yep. I am bad, and then suddenly I get a revelation from the Lord, I think.
Alright, so this is the variance, okay, for 1 seed packet. But I have 5 seed packets. So what do I need to do?
Multiply by 5.
So, standard deviation is going to be equal to the square root of 5 times 1.44.
The square root.
Which is going to be 2.68 seeds.
Never mind. Don't entertain my thoughts. They're stupid.
What assumptions did you make about the seeds? Do you think that assumption is warranted?
I assumed that the seeds were apple seeds.
Well, vegetable, number 1.
Vegetable
If you read
seeds,
that.
first of all, yes.
Number 2.
Carrot seeds.
It's also not a vegetable.
What?
Carrots are a root.
A cucumber?
It's a fruit by technical definition.
What's a vegetable?
Broccoli.
Wait, what's the definition of a veggie?
Okay, so, well, we
I want
assumed
vegetable
that
stuff.
there were only 2 bad.
This is what happens when you work on a farm for so long.
Well, we assumed that because it's the mean number that actually grows, we assumed that it was true for all of them, that it was just always 18.
Which means, what did we assume in reality?
Correlation is not equal to causation.
Stop.
Did one packet affect the next
Oh,
packet?
Yeah.
wait, it's assumed independence.
Okay, we are assuming seeds are independent. You good over there, Melcher?
No, I was gonna say the answer, and then you started saying the answer. I'm not gonna say the answer. That work took my answer.
Girl.
I'm
Okay.
not okay.
We could have a bad batch of seeds.
I would get the bad batch of seeds. Just like I have the bad batch of hydrochloric acid.
Probably better be careful saying that.
What are they gonna do? Think I'm a mass murderer? I'm not. It was a chemistry lab, and I got 130% yield, and that's real bad, guys.
So it's safe to assume they are
I
independent.
know, isn't that real bad? Thanks, Melcher, you're encouraging. So, how many points do you think she's gonna take off for that?
Lots.
Thanks, Melcher.
I'm really not so sure I want to be your first 100%.
If you don't want to be my lab partner, then I'll pick someone else who does
You
well.
were gonna say you got 130 on the lab, and I was like, good job.
Nope.
And then she's like,
130%
yield.
Oh no.
Yeah, if I get a bad grade, guys, you might not see me for a whole day. I'll have to weep as my chemistry.
I don't think it'll be that bad.
I think it will. Okay, she said she takes off a point for every one you are over. That's a 65 going into it.
Pretty sure she's a max amount she'll take off for that though.
I don't know. She can be evil. You never know. She could be like,
watching this.
yeah,
What if
I'm
she's
gonna
watching
tell her
this?
to watch this video and just like look at.
she already knows that I deserve a 65.
Brooke, stop! You're digging yourself a bigger hole. Oh, I'm so texting Berkeley and telling her to watch this one.
Murky. It's like murky.
And Brooke snorts.
And this is
Oink
why-
oink.
It's okay. I snorted and Mr. Hall laughed at me.
Well, to be fair, everyone laughed at you, but
I laughed at me. I laugh at me a lot. No, sing another one. I hate that song. That song deserves to be the paper shredder. Okay, no, I'd rather hear the people get ready than Bruno. My mom sings the Bruno song now.
we're singing that song.
The Newsies. I love that.
Which one?
The Newsies.
Oh, thank you. That is so much worse. Then we're singing the song called People Get Ready, and that thing is awful. It's like, yeah, you should come to the concert.
I also like King of New York.
Doesn't call enjoy the friend. What are these?
Oh, I need to watch that movie again. It was so good.
I've never seen it.
You watched it in history class?
No.
Rude.
Must I go see it?
You need to see the Newsies. It's so good.
We're gonna request it.
I don't know if it fits what you're learning this year in history,
No,
but
no, we're doing something
average
eh, well, maybe.
Oh.
Yeah.
We do what?
Well, like you took the class last year.
What did we take last year? What?
They
Not you. All right, the average time to complete the Boston Marathon is 3 hours and 22 minutes. It's pretty impressive in my
I can
opinion.
complete it in 20 minutes.
With a
Flat.
standard deviation of 24 minutes. Do you know how long a marathon is, Brooke?
I have a horse. I ride.
there's nothing in the bucket.
The
Running.
it's
Brooke, it's
the
running.
green one.
No.
Remember, we had
Friday.
to dump them out because we had to use the bucket for the money. Remember, I got to go pour. Anyways,
Okay, Kim. Okay. The average.
think-
Okay, anyway, the average time to complete the London Marathon
Oh my god.
is 2 hours and 57 minutes. Wow. With a standard deviation of 20 minutes. If someone completes both marathons, what time would you expect them to have?
no time.
It's not funny, not true.
3 hours, 22 minutes, plus
Oh
2
gosh.
hours,
You're
Oh, now we're doing
57 minutes.
Do you remember? Okay, I remember trying to add
Why are
time
we
when I
going
was
back to
little.
like 3rd grade word problems?
Dude. 2 plus 2 is 4.
Stop talking.
79 minutes,
How did you get 79?
5 hours, because 22
She
plus
math.
57 is
Oh, I
79.
wrote 52.
So 5 hours and 79 minutes. However, 79 minutes is what?
9
In another hour.
And
6 hours.
6 hours and 19 minutes.
6 hours,
I didn't even catch that.
19 minutes,
The standard deviation was.
total time.
Never mind, I wrote down the wrong thing. It's 22 minutes. I wrote the standard deviation.
We circle. You know, my circle looks perfect.
Algebra 2 class was discussing how they want paper that makes their stuff perfect.
The number 2 class?
Algebra 2
Algebra
class.
Do you listen?
Because we were doing triangles and stuff.
Oh, see,
We're doing
Were you
trig.
guys playing a game today?
Aha, sucks to be them.
When?
And algebra 2.
Playing a game? No, but I was playing a lot of songs for them.
Oh, that explains.
I want to play past the pit.
Total time, okay.
But soon. We're
When
almost
is soon?
there. Like with this unit.
This one?
Like the unit. So like one
Yeah.
more chapter, yeah.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Not this chapter.
What is the standard deviation? That actually might honestly end up being Monday when we're finished with Valentine's. We might just do that so we don't have
If
to
we
think.
finish Valentine's.
That's true. What is the standard? I also just realized I haven't turned in lesson plans in like 4 weeks.
What? Wait, what in 4 weeks?
I haven't turned in lesson plans in like 4 weeks.
Oh,
Oops.
who's actually looking at it?
It's okay. They usually just say like chapter 16, chapter 16, chapter 16. Okay, chapter 17.
I
That's
actually
usually all they
love
say.
that.
What's happening?
16.
Look at me.
What
I do
is
that.
the standard deviation of the total time to complete both marathons?
Oh! Oh!
Would you add the two of them together
Oh.
and then do the thing?
Multiply them.
Wait, but you can't add them in standard deviation. So would you have to change them to variance and then add them and then take the standard deviation?
Bingo.
Ouch.
That's what I said. Multiply.
All right, so we had 24 minutes for the first one. Squared plus the other one is 20 minutes squared.
Oh my goodness. No. Brooke, no.
So then we're going to do, this is going to give us the square root of this.
Why is there a smiley face? Oh.
What? There's no smiley face.
What?
Oh, I see the little arrow thing he does look like a smiley.
Oh! I had to draw a smiley face for Maddie. If we finish this problem, I'll play a stats video for y'all that I haven't played for you yet.
31.2.
A mathematical constant with both direction and magnitude. Yes!
The problem is he sounds just like him.
Reason I remember.
That's the only reason that my physics class knows what a vector is. I just scared for the day when I get classes that don't know what Despicable Me is.
That's a bad life.
Oh no.
Then they'll just think I'm weird.
That's true.
Play them! Play it for
Out
them!
of
Play it for
context.
them!
Just the man in the orange jumpsuit built like a squash.
My favorite is when they were taking their test, they all are sitting there and they're like, direction and magnitude. They were all sitting there doing it and it was so funny.
We all did it like at the same time.
Yeah, they did because they all got to that question around the same time. I was dying. Because then all I hear is like, vector.
That's great.
All right, on average, how much faster can a person run the London Marathon than the Boston Marathon?
Is it easy or is it hard?
Easy.
Because I think of just subtracting.
3 hours, 22 minutes, minus 2 hours, 57 minutes.
I like how easy this is.
Guys, look at me. When it's easy, I got you. When it's
I don't know
complicated,
if that should be a
you
compliment.
should just
All right,
let it go.
so we can't subtract 57 from 22 because we can't have negative minutes, but I can take an hour away
Oh my god.
Then add
and make this 82 minutes minus 57 minutes, which gives you...
which would give you whatever 82 minus 57 is. 25.
Why did you say it like that?
Sure, guys.
25 minutes.
25. Wait.
Yes.
I typed it in my
Is that it?
calculator.
Just 25 minutes?
It is 25. I did it backwards.
You know, that's funnier than 24.
Yeah, I know what you did. You like added the.
Yeah, I don't.
What is the standard deviation of this difference?
Would you 25 square? No?
25 times 2.
Okay. Wait a minute.
No, we don't know. Just help us
So-
out.
Always
Always
add variance
So would you add the 25?
even
Even though.
when
Even when.
we are
Sorry.
looking
Looking forward standard deviation.
for the difference.
Oh, dang it.
So,
I'm not gonna have time to do the problem.
the square root of 24 squared plus 20 squared equals the square root of 976, which equals 31.24
Wow.
Why is she
My
speaking
head
so
just
loud?
blew.
She's not speaking loud, it's just fast.
We always add variance, even when we're looking for the difference. It's the same thing.